Ever wondered why some millionaires prefer renting over buying a house? One of the reasons is financial flexibility. This term might sound like financial jargon, but it's quite simple. Financial flexibility is the ease with which one can adapt to changes in their financial situation. For example, imagine a millionaire who travels frequently or has a fluctuating income. Owning a house might seem like a burden to them. They would need to manage the sale of the property if they decide to move or downsize, a process that can be both costly and time-consuming. On the other hand, with renting, they can easily pack up and move when needed, without the hassles of property selling. This kind of flexibility is highly appealing to those with dynamic lifestyles or unpredictable income streams. Financial flexibility, therefore, is a key factor that influences some millionaires to rent rather than own a home. Next on the list is the principle of liquidity for investments. Now, renting can be a strategic move for millionaires as it allows for money to remain liquid. But what does this mean? Simply put, it means they have ready access to cash which is not tied up in assets like property. This liquidity presents an enticing advantage. It enables the freedom to seize attractive financial opportunities as they arise. Let's consider a few examples. Perhaps a promising commercial real estate project comes along, or maybe there's a surge in the stock market, or an exciting venture in a booming industry catches their eye. All these are potential investments that could potentially offer higher returns than residential real estate. The key here is that renting allows millionaires to have the necessary funds readily available to dive into these opportunities. So, the availability of liquid cash for lucrative investments is another reason why some millionaires opt to rent. The third principle is reduced maintenance and costs. One of the less glamorous aspects of homeownership is the burden of maintenance and repairs. From minor issues like a leaky faucet to major concerns like a faulty roof, these tasks are not just a drain on time but also on your wallet. Now, imagine being a millionaire with a sprawling estate. The maintenance costs can skyrocket, eating into your precious time and resources. Renting, however, paints a different picture. It eliminates this responsibility, as the landlord is typically accountable for upkeep and repairs. This means no surprise costs or time spent dealing with contractors. These significant savings can then be redirected. Instead of sinking money into a new boiler or roof repair, millionaires can invest those funds into high-yield stocks, promising startups, or even their own passion projects. By renting, millionaires can save significant amounts on maintenance and put that money to work elsewhere. The fourth principle that guides some millionaires is diversified investments. It's a well-known adage in the world of finance. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This wisdom holds true for millionaires when it comes to their investment strategies. By choosing not to sink a large portion of their wealth into a single property, they open up a world of opportunities to spread their wealth across different asset classes. From stocks to bonds, from commercial real estate to startups, the options are vast. This diversification not only reduces the overall risk associated with their investment portfolio, but it also significantly increases the potential for higher returns. Imagine having a piece of the pie in various sectors, reaping the benefits when one or more of these sectors thrive. By renting, millionaires can better diversify their investments, spreading risk and maximizing potential returns. Last but not least, the principle of ability to seize opportunities. Just as a hawk swoops down on its prey with precision and speed, millionaires with their liquid assets are primed to seize unexpected investment opportunities that come their way. Imagine hearing about a brilliant startup that's about to disrupt the industry or a promising stock that's undervalued. With liquid assets, millionaires can swiftly invest without the need to sell off assets or shoulder the burden of a loan. This agility in financial decision-making is akin to a chess grandmaster, making calculated moves, always staying several steps ahead. It's not just about having the resources, but also about having them readily available to strike while the iron is hot. So it's not just the allure of flexibility, reduced costs, or diversified investments that sway some millionaires towards renting. It's also the power to seize golden opportunities as they emerge. The ability to quickly seize upon new investment opportunities is another compelling reason why some millionaires choose to rent instead of buying a house.